In this video, I'm going to show you how to change hero skins in Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device. Before you can change the skin of a hero on the platform, you'll need to be able to have a hero statue on your base. So you'll find this under the army section of buildings and traps. Let's head over to the army section of this buildings and traps section. You'll find this once you click on the shops button at the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see in here, you'll be able to find this barbarian king statue as the first statue or hero that you can unlock. Once you reach level 7 on your town hall, you need to be able to have this barbarian king statue on your base. Once you have this barbarian king statue on your base, you'll need to click on this barbarian king statue, and once you click on this, you'll be able to view all of the hero skins that you have for this hero. You'll need to select the skin from there, and after that, you'll be able to change your hero skin into your skin of preference. So before you can change a hero skin, you'll need to have their statue on your base.